Introduction to numbers. The first type of number is a natural numbers, counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So basically, natural numbers are those numbers which are used for the counting purpose. For example, 1 is a natural number, 5, 20, 100. So these are all natural numbers which are used for the counting purpose. The second type of number is a whole number. Natural numbers including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, these are whole numbers. Just adding zeros in natural number make the whole number. For example, 0, 1, 15, 30, these are the whole numbers. The third type of number is integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0, right? So, for example, if you can take -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, these are positive integers, right? And these are negative integers, right? And this 0 is just a neutral integer, we can say. Okay. Now, the fourth type of number is the prime number. Okay, integers greater than 1. So keep it in mind, the integers which are greater than 1 have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Those are the prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these are the prime numbers because they have only two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. So these numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. And in prime numbers are always the integers which are greater than 1. What does this mean? That negative integers are not in the category of the prime numbers. Okay, so now the most important point about the prime number is 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So in prime numbers, all the prime numbers are odd prime numbers. Only 2 is the even prime number, right? Negative integers are not prime numbers. So for prime numbers, integers are always greater than 1 and positive, right? So negative integers are not included into the category of prime numbers, right? 2 is the only even prime number. There is no other even prime number, and 1 is not a prime number. So keep it in mind that most of the students get confused that 1 is a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, and those are only positive integers which are more than 1, right? Okay, now the fifth category of number is the composite numbers. Integers greater than 1 that are not prime are composite numbers, means they have more than two factors. For example, number 4. Number 4 has more than two factor. 1 is a factor of 4, 4 is a factor of 4, 1 in itself, but there is another factor 2 as well. 2 times 2 makes 4. So it has a factor 1 times 4 is 4. It has a factor 4 times 1 is 4. It has a factor 2 times 2 is 4. So it has factor 1, 2, and 4. The number which has more than two factors are composite number. Same, 6 is a composite number, 3 times 2 is 6. 8 is a composite number, 2 times 4 is 8, 4 times 2 is 8. 9 is a composite number, it comes in 3 times table. Yeah, 10 is a composite number, it comes in 2 and 5 times table. So the composite numbers are those numbers which are not prime, or we can say that the numbers which have more than two factors, 1 itself, and there are other factors as well, right? Now the sixth category of number is even and odd numbers. Okay, integers which are divisible by 2 are the even numbers, right? So we can say 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, -2, -4, -6, -8, right? So integers, when we're talking about integers can be positive integers or negative integers, right? So those integers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, up to so on, and also the negative of those as well. And the integers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Same is the case for the negative integers, -1, -3, -5, -7, -9, up to so on, right? So for the even numbers and odd numbers, we take the integers which are divisible by 2 are even, integers which are not divisible by 2 are odd. But when we are talking about the prime and the composite numbers, we are only taking the positive integers which are greater than 1. I hope the concepts of introduction to number is clear to you.